let's test out this AkeyDIY 5-in-1 heat press in the color purple. It's more so like a lilac or lavender color. This is a 12x15 heat press, and I do appreciate that it is a 360 swivel heat press. As a 5-in-1, you're able to press shirts, tumblers, mugs, cups, plates, and all of that. And yeah, here it is on the screen. You can see, and it is a swivel, and you can see those double mats that come down at the bottom of the machine. And so I'm going to yeah, walk you through all the materials that came in this box. You see the wrench and the screwdriver, power cord. Those two pieces that I just showed right there, those are for the hat press. And then we also have for the plate press these foam pieces right here. And then lastly, we do have the piece for the tumbler or the mugs. And yeah, all the pieces come with a cord, and basically the cord is like an adapter piece. As you switch out the different pieces of the heat press machine, you can see the cords here, or those endings of those cords. You would unscrew these pieces right here on the heat press and then switch out. Okay, so this is the user manual. Just going to flip through that so you can see what that looks like. And then from here, I am going to show you what else came in the packaging. So this polyester shirt, in addition to some DTF designs here that you can see. I did not end up using any of these DTF designs because I had some that I had received before. I had printed off like a Mickey Mouse Sublimation before, or Minnie Mouse. I'm going to use that in this video. But with some of the DTFs, like they had designs over some of the letters, and so you couldn't really tell what those letters were supposed to be. Again, this video is about the heat press itself, not about the DTFs that they sent. So that's one con. The only other con that I have with the heat press itself is that whenever you lift or let the handle down, you do have to press the start button in order for the timer to start. That's my only flaw. But again, here I'm going to turn on that machine. Going to do my sublimation shirt first. I'm going to take that temperature up to 355, take the time up to 45 seconds. Going to let that heat up first, and then I'm going to show you this is the design. I forgot to mirror my design. It's okay, guys. It's part of the learning process. That's the other shirt that I'm going to print too. So going to go ahead and put that white shirt down first for my sublimation. Going to also add in a piece of cardstock inside of that shirt. I'm going to press it first. But after I press it, I'm going to put in a piece of cardstock just so that my design does not bleed through the shirt. I should have cut that cardstock down a little bit. I didn't. So you can see me struggling here just a little bit. They also sent some heat resistant tape as well, and once I get that design down onto the shirt, I'm gonna tape the design down with some heat resistant tape that they sent me as well. Like I said, I feel like this machine is perfect, especially for people that are wanting to be able to press shirts, tumblers, mugs, caps, plates, all of that. You have the ability to do so with this machine. So I ended up pressing that shirt. Again, this is the design, and I'm going to tape it down with that heat resistant tape. And again, if you're starting out, you want to upgrade from your CRICUT Easy Press or the HTV Runt Easy Press. I think this is a great heat press machine for you to invest in, and I do thank AkeyDIY for sending me this press to share my honest review with you all. Like I mentioned before, my only con so far is that you have to press the start button whenever you pull down the lever right here. And yeah, so that's about my only con that I have to share about this heat press machine. Gonna peel off because this is a hot peel or a warm peel when it comes to sublimation. Gonna show you all what this shirt looks like. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Again, I didn't mirror, so you can see Minnie's name is backwards, but overall, absolutely love sublimation, and this heat press made the design come to life all the way. Okay, so moving on to my black shirt. This is just 100% Gildan shirt that I got from Michaels, and I am going to just use that piece of paper to get any lint off. Gonna press that shirt really quickly to get any moisture out. I'm going to use this other design. This is actually a DTF design, so I did have to take the temperature up to about or I think I had to lower the temperature. I think I took it, can't remember if I took it up or down, but anyway, it was about 15 seconds for the press. And it is a cool peel, so I did end up having to, you know, let it cool down a little bit, put that parchment paper on top and pressed it again. And I'm just going to show you a side-by-side view of both of those shirts. They both look absolutely amazing. Again, I don't have any I don't have anything bad to say about this heat press, and it does look like I ended up taking that temperature down for the DTF to about 338. So here are the two shirts. They look absolutely amazing. If you all have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down below. And thank you again, AkeyDIY, for sending me this heat press machine to review. Again, leave questions, comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.